How to log in into Amazon A to Z employee account. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you the steps on how to log in into your Amazon A to Z employee account. In order to log in into your employee account or A to Z employee account, first of all make sure that you have already registered. Only then you'll be able to log in. So then to begin with, open up a web browser of your choice, and then on the web address bar type in www.a2zlogin.amazon.org. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below. Now this is gonna directly take you to the login field where you'll be asked to enter in your credential. Now enter in your login ID and then log in into your account, and then click on the login button. Next page, you'll be asked to enter in the security code or the password associated with your Amazon A to Z employee account. Once you're done entering your information, click on the login button, and then if you have provided a valid information, you'll be logged into your account. So this is basically how you can log in into your Amazon A to Z account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.